Hey, sixth graders, Mr. Newman here. So this is the assignment you're going to work on for those of you who are not at the Baker field trip. So the other group is there having fun, enjoying their day out in the snow and wonderful winter weather. You're here going to learn a little bit more about the Dakota and Ojibwe and the land changing hands. So number one here, you're just going to follow through these steps. Number one is to download this Target 1, Target 2 review document. When you tap on it, you're going to download this to Notability, and then you can use this to work on. So what it is, it's just a review for you to kind of reflect on where have we been within Chapter 1 or Chapter 6, Target 1 and 2, and it's a picture review. So on this page that you document, or that you download, there's going to be two pages. The first page will give you a picture in a grid. There are 12 total pictures. This first one is an example. So the directions are written here. It says, number one, choose a picture. So you're going to choose one as you go, and you're going to document your thinking on this next page where you'll see blank grid with numbers that correspond with the pictures up here with their number. So once you choose that picture, so we'll do number one as an example, you're going to think of important places, people, key moments from Chapter 6, Target 1 and 2 that we've talked about that relate to this image. Decide the significance, and then write a short sentence about that in your answer sheet. So number one here, you see it's a picture of a money bag and some cash around it. So as you sit there and reflect on how does that relate to what we've been talking about in class with land changing hands, you'd go down here and then you would just write a short sentence explaining your thinking about that picture. So it says money represents how much the Dakota lost. The Dakota never received annuities because of the Civil War, and they sold half their land. So you're just writing your answer. Don't worry about right now if it's correct or if it's incorrect. Just the whole idea here is for you to reflect on what your answer might be. So then number two, you'd move on and you'd look at this image here, and you should be able to, on your iPad, go in a little bit closer and then back up however you need. Then you're going to go down to this spot and then write your response to how that picture relates to Chapter 6, what we've been studying in this box here, and then move on to number 3 and then write your answer down here in number 3, so on and so forth till you get through all 12 of the boxes. All right. Once you've done that, you're going to, that's number 2, you're working on that review. You're going to go down to number 3 where you're going to check your answers. So you're going to play this video. This video will work its way through each of the boxes and give you some answers as far as what the pictures are and how they represent our learning from Chapter 6. Now, yours might be a little bit different from what the answers are on this video, and that's fine. The whole point here is for you to take the opportunity to reflect on what do you know already, how do these pictures relate to our chapter of the land changing hands. Once you're done with checking your answers and you're happy with what your answers are, you're going to turn it in to this assignment. Just upload it to this assignment through Notability. There are 4 options here to practice for our test, which is Friday. So number 4 is your review options. You have here Chapter 6 practice tests. There's a Kahoot, there's a Blooket, there's a Quizlet to help you review for that test. And this will always be here for you to use. If you get done with that or you're done studying, you feel happy with that, there's a video here that you can watch for the remainder of your time. If you have any questions, email me. I won't be able to get to my email right away, but just email me with questions and I will respond when I get time. Have fun, good luck, and let me know if you have questions. Email me any of those. Thank you.